What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to track changes and comments in Microsoft Word. This feature is essential for anyone involved in editing documents, as it helps you keep track of insertions, deletions, replacements, and format changes, collectively known as markups. To get started with Track Changes, open your Word document and go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Within the tracking group, you'll find the Track Changes button. Click on this button to turn on the tracking feature. If you need to stop tracking changes at any point, simply click the Track Changes button again to turn it off. Remember, turning off track changes won't remove the existing markups. It will only stop new changes from being tracked. Now, let's talk about viewing those changes. In the Review tab, look for the Display for Review drop-down menu. This menu lets you choose how you want to view the document and the changes. Simple markup. This shows the final version without inline edits, but with a vertical line in the margin indicating where changes have been made. All markup. This displays all edits and comments in line with the text, along with a vertical line in the margin. No markup. This view presents the document without any visible edits or comments, showing only the final text. Original. This displays the document with its original form without any edits. For a more detailed look at what is being tracked, use the Show Markup drop-down menu. Here, you can choose to display specific types of changes like insertions, deletions, and formatting changes. You can also filter the changes by reviewer, which is particularly useful when working with multiple collaborators. Alongside track changes, you can add comments to your document. To insert a comment, place your cursor near the text you wish to comment on, or select the text directly. Then, click the New Comment button found in the Comments group. A sidebar will appear where you can type your comment. After typing, hit Post or use the shortcut Ctrl and Enter on PC or Command and Return on Mac to submit your comment. If you need to edit a comment later, simply click the pencil icon in the comment box to make changes. This flexibility allows for dynamic discussions and feedback directly within the document. Track changes and comments in Word are powerful tools for managing document revisions and collaborating effectively. They help ensure that every change and suggestion is accounted for, making the review process thorough and transparent. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.